and today we're going to be doing a technique exercise that involves time steps. I absolutely love time steps. I mean, what tap dancer doesn't love time steps? They're like everything. So today we're going to be doing a progression of time steps. It's going to go singles to doubles to triples to traveling. I have options for you if you know the single and the triple but you haven't learned the double yet, that's okay. First of all, if there's any time step that you haven't learned, I have a video, an instructional video on how to do them in my step tutorial playlist down below. So just click on that playlist, search for if you're looking for the single time step because you've never done time steps before, click on that video, learn them, practice them, come back to this video when you're ready. Or if you need the double, that's there, the triple, that's there, and the traveling time step, that is also there. So whatever you guys need, you can learn it there, or you can modify this exercise to fit you. Let's say you only know single time steps. You haven't ventured into the other time steps. The traveling you can learn today. That's fine. But you can just do single time steps until we get to the traveling time step, which is the break of this sequence. So whatever you guys need, you got it. All right, so let's go ahead and get started. Also, quick reminder, if you haven't yet, please subscribe. Anyway, so we're going to be doing time steps. Now, traditionally, time steps, they start on 8. So we will be starting on 8 for this combination. I have another time step technique exercise that I'm filming today that will be starting on a different count. So I like to be versatile with my steps and the counts that they start on, but traditionally time steps do start on 8, so that's what we are doing today. So you start with 2 singles. It'll go 5, 6, 7, step, hop, step, hop, step. Then that goes into 2 double time steps. Stomp, hop, that leads you into 2 triple time steps. Now, whatever you guys need to do as far as skipping the doubles or skipping the triples, you do you, but don't forget that that playlist is there to help you learn it. So we have 2 singles, 2 doubles, and 2 triples. Let's try that together. Also, if you guys hear random sounds, that's my cat eating all of the other cat's food. She is such a pig. And she's literally going to everybody's plate and just eating everybody's food. All right, I give cat stories on this channel and sometimes cat appearances, so we'll see. All right, so time steps together. 2 singles, 2 doubles, 2 triples. Ready? 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, double. Good. All right, let's do that again. Try to keep your shuffles even so that it stays within the rhythm. 1 and a 2 and 3 and 4. 5 and a 6 and 7, 8. So for the triple time step, I mean. Okay, let's try it again. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4. Awesome. So we have the sequence, single, single, double, double, triple, triple. Now, we add the traveling time step. And when we're done with it, it's going to lead us straight into doing the left side. So, you just finished. So that stomp is going to start your traveling time step. It's stomp, hop, shuffle, step, just like we just did. So that shuffle is a quick one. Stomp, hop, shuffle, step. 8, 1 and a 2. So it's really, really quick. Now you have 3 shuffle steps coming. Shuffle, step, shuffle, ball change is really what's happening. Starting with the left foot, you have shuffle, step, shuffle, ball change. Now these shuffles are a little slower than that other shuffle was. Hello, Sayuri. Welcome to the video. I don't know if you guys can see her if I zoom in. Come here, baby. Come here. Say hi to everybody. No? You're just gonna grumble? You're just gonna grumble as you walk across the video? All right, peace out. All right, so we did stomp, hop, shuffle, step. And now we have shuffle, step, ball change. So those shuffles are not as quick. Stomp, hop, shuffle, step. That's da-da-da. These are da 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 da. It's very, very even in the rhythm. So it's 8, 1, 2, and then for now hold 8. So that's 8, 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, 7, 8. So you see the difference between the two shuffles? That difference is very important, extremely important. So just that part, starting with a stomp on 8. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Good. Hello again. I think she just did a circle around the whole house. That's so funny. One more time. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Awesome. So let's add that to the beginning. The 2 singles, the 2 doubles, and the 2 triples. Ready? 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, double. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, triple. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. See how it goes straight into it? Awesome. Let's try that again. That time, I didn't really warn you that that's what was going to happen. We just went straight into it. Hello, baby. Bye. She's just going to do this thing where she just walks back and forth. All right, let's try it from the top again. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Double. Triple. Awesome. So how do we get to the other side? Well, we ended up on N6 and 7. We're going to stomp right on 8. Go right into the left side. So let's actually try the left side nice and slow. So we've got the singles, into the doubles, into the triples. Now, this traveling time step, we've got stomp, hop, shuffle, step, shuffle, step, shuffle, step, shuffle, change. So, stomp, hop, shuffle, step, shuffle, step, shuffle, step, shuffle, ball change. But we're just starting with our left foot. So it's stomp, hop, shuffle, step. Now, right foot starts the open shuffles. So let's just do that last part starting on the left. The stomp, hop, shuffle, step, shuffle, ball change. Just that part on the left foot. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. She's just walking back and forth. I don't know if you guys can see this. I'm going to try to leave it in the video. But she's literally just... It's like when you see someone filming down the street, like a famous person or something filming, and you like do whatever you can to casually walk through the video because you want to like be on TV. That's literally what you're doing. That is so funny. All right, so let's try the left break one more time. Same spot. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Holding. Good. So let's try the whole left side. Single, single, double, double, triple, triple break. Starting with the left foot. Ready? 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, double. Awesome. Where'd she go? She came back in. All right, now let's try right to left. We got this, we got this. After, that's the transition. So you're gonna go, stop, that's the transition. Let's try the whole thing, right to left. We'll see how it goes. Cool? Ready? Starting from the right side, single time steps. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 8, 1, 2, music. Okay, so the first time we try it, we're gonna do it pretty slowed, about that tempo. Let's give it a shot, and then I'll crank up the tempo. Let's do that again. I'm not sure if that's like way too loud, but it's hard for me to hear, so we'll leave it. We'll leave it. Let's try it again, and then we'll crank up the tempo after this. One more time at that tempo, and then if you want to crank up the tempo, you stay on this video. If not, you do this one again, and then fast forward to the end so you can hear me talk. Yay! Let's try it. Shall we try to turn up the tempo? The song, and it's always listed below if you're ever wondering what song I'm using, unless I used it specifically from YouTube's audio library, because then it's hard to find. I always list it down below. This song I just had on 65% the tempo. Now I'm going to pull it up to 80. Not because I don't want to go that fast, but just because I like the song, but it's naturally just really, really fast. So let's give it a shot. Let's get used to the tempo real quick. It's fast. Ready? 5, 1 more time up tempo, and then we're good, right? I love this exercise. This is so much fun. I'm literally filming this on spring break, so I can't take it to my classes to teach all week, and I'm kind of disappointed, but I'm going to try to remember to do it next week. All right, last time. Make it fun. Like, that exercise just feels like so much fun. I could do it all day, and I might, just letting you know, after I film my other stuff. All right, I hope you had such a fun time with me doing these time steps. If you want more time steps as far as like technique exercises, let me know, and I will be happy to do them. I'm always happy to do time steps. I'm a little controversial with time steps because a lot of times I like to start on a different count other than 8, and for some tap dancers that is like sacrilege. But as a musician, I love to keep my phrasing flexible on the start time. I love that. I studied some weird music in college, and I do compose some very strange like rhythms and stuff, and that's just who I am. So sometimes we'll start on 8 like this, and it's very traditional, and I love that. Sometimes we'll start on 1. Sometimes we'll start on 3 for no reason at all. So yeah, hopefully you had a blast and you learned some stuff today. If you weren't able to do some of those time steps, don't forget to check that step tutorial playlist down below. It is filled with any step that you want to learn, and if the step that you want to learn is not on there, I can make a video for it. So I had so much fun. Do not forget to hit that subscribe button and join the TAP fam. We've got choreography tutorials, technique exercises like this, step tutorials like I mentioned, challenges, vlogs, you name it, we got it. It's all here and it's all free for you. This is your free YouTube TAP studio, and I love being your TAP teacher. Subscribing is the best way. I don't know if you guys can hear that. There's a plane coming over my house. Subscribing is the best way to support this channel. I don't really ask for anything. There is a Patreon link if you would like to go further in supporting this channel, which is much appreciated, but you do not have to. I make these videos to share with you because I know what it's like to not have access to TAP class, and this is me giving back, and I plan on giving back for the rest of my life. So the best way to support this channel is to subscribe. Absolutely. And also hit that thumbs up button because this exercise was super fun. Like, hit that thumbs up. Also because it helps YouTube push it out to other tap dancers so that they can find free tap resources as well. So subscribe, hit the thumbs up, and as always, thank you for dancing with me.